BeatsByRossi back with another tutorial. This is essentially an MPC tutorial, but I'm using the Denon DJ MCX8000, which is a standalone DJ mixer. So I'm gonna essentially set cue points on whichever track, and then I'm gonna play those cue points back and sample them. It's easier than catching the sample on the fly. You can kind of just listen to the record. You can shift the pitch. So I'm going to pull something up right now. Let's see, pull something up random. Just scroll and let's see. Let's try this one. So, and go to record mode. We're going to make sure everything is up. And we should be getting some. Okay, that one is too short. We want like a full song. So we're going to go back and we're going to, hey, this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shift the pitch up, and I'm going to start from a random point in the song, start from a random spot. Play. Okay, so now turn it up a little bit. So yeah, then all you'd have to do is hit record. So there's a sample right there to pad. And then we want to go to program mode to make sure that it is actually on the pad. Bam. Back. There you go. Then I'm going to go back to record mode. And I'm going to pick another one. And do that first one. And now if you go back to main mode, there you go. Yeah, and you can some scratches or whatever you want to do. I could go in here and just go record. Not a very good scratch, but see, pretty dope. All right, BeatsByRossi, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.